Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Crystal here. Got a little shop haul for you from Leigh with all the things, stickers, beautiful little bumblebee sticker, sealing the package closed. She puts in a protector to make sure your stickers don't get bent, little handwritten note, super cute. Oh, and check that out, guys. I could use that as like a prop in one of my pictures. Thanks, Leah. I did not open this. I usually like pre-open this, but I didn't because I didn't want to mess up this beautiful bumblebee. Yeah, I can't talk. Bumblebee sticker. And I was afraid I would, so I did not pre-open it because I knew I was going to tear it. So I've been trying to get stickers from small shops and support them. And Miss Leah, I've purchased from her before, but she reached out to me and offered me some stickers. Thank you so much, Leah, for sending me these so that I could play with them in my planner. I appreciate you reaching out and sending me goodies to sample. So here we go. Without further ado, I'm very excited for these stickers, you guys. There's some book lover ones in here. Again, little thank you card and handwritten. You guys, customer service, like that in itself is awesome. And Leah, you have amazing handwriting, might I add. Her handwriting is impeccable. Check that out. Beautiful. Thank you, Leah, for sending me some stickers to sample. I appreciate it. I love Happy Mail. And when it's a gift, it's even better. All right, so we've got some Day of the Week stickers from Kit 10. Kiss Cut. There you can see how much border is around there. Not overly sticky. Good quality paper. These are matte stickers. That's Kit 10, so this is, oh, look at it. Be happy. I love this. This bumblebee, he's so pretty. Oh. That's a sticker too, guys. Okay, so Kit 10, sorry, let me get back to it. Kit 10 comes with the days of the week, comes with these beautiful butterflies. These ones aren't cut as close, not all of them. I guess the tiny ones are cut a little closer, but I'm super particular about how much white there is. So I always just cut it off, you guys. That's why I have these lovely little cutter bees, because they're tiny. They got a narrow point, and I can trim all that extra white off. Some people really enjoy having the extra white. As a sticker shop owner, I'm sure that's really difficult to navigate because you've got so many people to please. Leah, you're doing a fantastic job. I think these are beautiful. I think these are beautiful, and if you don't want the extra white, cut it off, guys. That's what I do. The colors and these little butterflies are so cute. Oh, okay. Goodness, this is a big kit, this Kit 10. So let me just set these over to the side so they're not distracting us, the other kits. I know they're still over there. Stop looking at them, you guys. We're looking at this one. I'm just being silly. Okay, so we've got some Plaid Washi strip. It's a pretty good thickness. I don't know the measurements. I keep telling myself I'm gonna learn that, but I have not yet. I need to get me like a little ruler. Let me see, I might have stuck one over here. I did, but I don't know if it has the, it has centimeters. I don't know if that's helpful to you guys. So this is like 1.5 centimeters, maybe 1 point. I don't know, it's a little over a centimeter, guys. And there's a really pretty turquoise blue. And then this beautiful thick butterfly washi. And this can be trimmed down to different sizes. I also like to use these. I will cut them into like chunks to layer them behind my boxes sometimes. I love thick washi for that purpose. I can use it as washi. I can use it as kind of an offset backdrop to my boxes. I like having big washi. It's a nice option. All right, and here we have the butterflies with a different background, that pretty turquoise. And then we've got a really pretty, it's kind of a mauve-y undertone to that pink. It's like a mauve pink. And then this, I would call this butter yellow, but I feel like it's just a little bit darker than that. It's like almost like a popcorn yellow. It's not mustardy. It's too bright to be mustardy. It's more like a popcorn yellow. Very pretty. Super excited. And spring is coming, you guys. So be looking for this. You're going to be seeing some spreads with some of Leah's beautiful, beautiful product. All right, we got some horizontal boxes here. We've got a weekly hydration chart, which is kind of nice. Instead of having several separate stickers, if you're doing like a weekly spread, which is probably what I'll do with this. Some butterflies, some bullet points, some little icons for shopping and mail, and then some just patterned boxes, patterned background boxes, which are great for layering behind your boxes that you're putting words in, like these. You could stagger these two off opposite sides of this to create some sticker collage and texture. Oh, Leah, I have to say, I really like this butterfly, this Kit 10. I really like this. I'm very excited to utilize that. All right. And then we've got a book lover kit, you guys. This one, I have really been, I'm sorry. So I've been like challenging myself to try to read more because you guys, I used to be able to, not be able to, I guess that's not the right way to phrase that probably. I used to start a book and I would stay up till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning until I finished it because I loved books that much. And I just have gotten away from reading lately for fun. And so I'm challenging myself to kind of get back into it. I went to a blind date with a book at the library around Valentine's Day and got a couple books. One of them was kind of a slow read, so it kind of dimmed my excitement about reading, but I did just finish one of the other novels that I had started. So now I'm getting ready to dive into a couple of brand new books that I have not read yet. And I have to say, one of them is called The Girl with No Name. I do not know the author's name, but it is a book about anti-Semitism, and it's a fictional story based on the time during which the Holocaust was happening. And I recently went to an Auschwitz exhibit, and I just have to tell you, I keep saying and, I have to tell you that I'm really excited to finish that novel. So, book lover. Again, the days, and I love that she did white lettering and popped a color in the background. That is a fun switch up. Usually your days of the week are colored on white background. I love that she pulled in a colored background and did white lettering. And the script is very fun. Leah, you'll have to DM me and let me know, is this your personal handwriting? I think this is really cute. Okay, these books with the florals jumping out of the center are absolutely incredible. I love that they come in different colors. I love that they have little quotes, well-read woman, less people, more books, so many books, so little time. Fiction addiction, grow your mind, read just one more chapter. So I have a friend, not a friend, a cousin, who is a librarian, and she spends a lot of her time reading, and she's actually one of my inspirations for wanting to read more, you guys. And look at how closely cut these stickers are. Can I tell you that that is a beautiful kiss cut? Nice job, Leah. Nice job. Absolutely stunning. Some pretty patterned boxes. Some boxes with patterned borders. Again, some bullets. Some word scripts here. Work to do, remember today. Some icons for email shopping. And these are all cut really, really nice. Great quality. This purple floral pattern, it looks kind of like it's got a canvas background. I'm probably not going to use it in my book lover. I'm actually probably going to use this in one of my junk journalings because that is so stinking pretty. That linen background just makes it look like it's kind of vintage. And the hue is kind of a vintage hue too. I really like this. And then we've got some little, looks like doodled floral patterns. Again, very good for junk journaling. I may not use all of this. Oh goodness, we'll see. I may have to spread it out over a bunch of things. This is a lovely kit. And again, the thick washi, you guys, and polka dots. That makes my heart happy. I'm a polka dot fanatic. And it's the big washi, so I can cut it in chunks and layer it behind boxes. I can cut it in thinner strips. Lots to do here with these sizes. All in all, this is probably going to be my favorite one so far, Leah, and I'm very excited to use it. If you guys have not had an opportunity to check out Leah's goodies, her new spring release items, I highly recommend you jump over there and check them out. I will link her shop in the description. Like, I don't want to cover any of it up because it's also pretty. I'll link her shop in the description, and guys, pop over there. Just pop over there and check out the goodies. Got the butterflies, got the books, got the florals. She has lots of other kits, lots of other deco items. You can get them together. You can buy them separate. There's something for everybody. Like, really, the color schemes are varied. Check it out. Check it out. And Leah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Chef's kiss. Beautiful, beautiful product. Thank you for the handwritten note. And I look forward to getting these into some of my spreads. Thank you guys for hanging out and checking out another small business haul with me. You guys support these small businesses. They're working on their dreams, and there is enough to go around. There's enough to go around, and there are so many different options. Check it out. Ciao for now. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in the next one.